What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the Frequent Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well, man. Now, let's get right to it, man. Y'all seen the title, y'all seen the thumbnail, all that good stuff. We back with another Doernbecher 20-year anniversary, the 2025 collection. Let's get into it. Now, I'm sure y'all seen this box a couple of times by now, man. That tech and foam positive style box, but the one with the Doernbecher freestyle across, sleeve slides out, and the tag on this joint reads, Sabrina 2 DB20, multicolor, 11.5 women, 10 men. You open it up, the shoes flip out onto a pedestal, man. And here we have that Nike Sabrina 2. Keeps moving around, but I'm finna take these joints out. Let's check them out. One of the most popular hoop shoes amongst all the NBA and WNBA players, man. Even a lot of college guys are wearing these with their PEs. Let's check these joints out. Now, as you all may know by now, man, the Doernbecher Freestyle Collection is always designed by a kid that's in or has been in the Doernbecher Hospital that's in Oregon. This one is designed by Sophia Jenkins, 9-year-old from Lebanon, Oregon. Now, she did lose part of her leg to like a bone cancer of the osteosarcoma, man. But she didn't let her slow her down, man. She's training to do like parasports and be a parasport athlete. She taught herself to do a one-leg backflip. And the shoe just embodies her, man. It has like her pickle stuffed animal. It has her floral stickers. It has like her fuzzy blanket pieces. And we'll show like what each of those mean to her as we get into the shoe. And the main message of the shoe is to be Sophia strong with her, Sabrina 2. Let's check this joint out, man. Shout out to Sophia Jenkins. I think you did a really good job with this one. And I'm pretty sure we'll see this joint on the court a lot within the coming weeks. Now, here we have the Sabrina 2, the Doernbecher 20-year collection designed by Sophia. Nice shoe overall. The Sabrina is, like I said, one of the most popular shoes. This one did come in women's sizes, and the colors are fitting for a women's shoe. But she went crazy with the details. She went crazy with the materials and the designs. So let's check it out. Let's see if you're rocking with these. I know for a fact we'll see these joints on court. Now, starting with the toe of the shoe, man, it does come laced in like a dark purple / like bluish color. In a mesh material. Get to the outside, man. It has the blue going across the hip. It has her pickle stuffy right there, man. This is like one of her like peaceful type of things. It has like her heart. It has Nike and floral stickers. Well, what would be stickers, but it's painted on here going across the midsole. Has like that iridescent swoosh going across. Has some zigzag stitching going across the back. It has hearts going across your Achilles. Cushions going across the back. And the back of this left shoe also says Sophia. And it has a flower as well. Like a light blue hard material going across the back. This is like a patent material here, but the actual inside is hard. It's a basketball shoe still. So hard Achilles and foot support going across the back. Now, getting to the inside of the shoe, man, it does have like that awkwardly sat swoosh where it kind of dips down into the midsole. Nice touch, but just not something that you see every day on a Nike shoe. Has like a woven kind of pattern here. I'm going across in that blue, and it's like a powder pink. I'm going all the way across that midsole, man. So really nice touch there. Mesh all throughout the upper. Now, getting into the tongue, it does say strong on this one, and it says Sophia on the other lace lock. And then going up, it does have the purple mesh, and then like the purple metallic going across the top of the tongue. And it also has like faux diamonds, I guess you could say, a glittery edge that looks really like diamond and shiny like. And on the inside, it has like a blanket style material. And this is like just like a shout out to her favorite blanket that she always uses. And the same like form of pattern and everything that really fits the shoe. Now, this joint does come with like replacement lace locks. And this is like the pickle lace lock that can go on the front right here. So this is like her pickle stuffy that she has and she like carries around and things like that. So this one, of course, it's sentimental to her, but it has all of her personal you know, hits going all throughout the shoe. Still has the air zoom on the midsole and the Sabrina signature. Outsole has the all translucent outsole with the Nike happy faces there with the Nike sign. And it has the two-tone swoosh with the nice foam pattern on the inside, man. So really nice midsole there. I like the touch on these. I love the, you know, translucent outsole with the Nike and the happy faces. This one is a really good shoe I think they did good with this. Well, you're gonna see this one on court, man. Mark my words. If not in the women's new rival league, definitely WNBA, definitely NBA season. We may see a couple of like the real sneaker guys rocking these joints in college, but good shoe here so far. Now getting into that right shoe, just the same as the left. It has that same blue going across the toe box. Same blue hit, same midsole, has the stickers and the floral prints on the side. That iridescent swooshes is a really nice touch. Has a stitching going across the back. This one says Strong, the other one says Sophie. Nice touch there, man. Sophie Strong in like a colorful print that really matches the shoe. Same hits as the other shoe with like reverse looking swoosh. It has the blue and pink going across the midsole. Pink here on the inside and the mesh material, really durable for hooping. Same insoles and insides here, man. This one says Strong. The insole on this one says Sophia. And it has the same like flower and floral prints and things like that. It has her name, like a purple checkerboard material on the inside. And then this shoe has the same like soft faux fur-ish blanket material. Nice touch there, super, feels really good. Not sure how to hold up against sweat once you really start hooping in these, because this is a basketball shoe at the end of the day, but a good one for sure, a good one. Now, as far as extra, this joint does come with a friendship bracelet. You cut it, fit it to your wrist, put whatever message you want. Add the, you know, hearts and flowers and things that she has on the inside, a bunch of different charms. So really good touch there. And I like when they add like the personal details from the Doernbecher collection, man. They let the kids do whatever they really want. This is not something that you would see a lot like on Nike shoes. You do see like the Ja Morants and you know, Sabrina and Giannis, LeBron. They do put out like a bunch of different like personal colorways, but it's never anything to the extent of the Doernbecher collabs, man. I guess they put out so many shoes, they can tell a story per shoe. Like LeBron does a Fruity Pebble, he does a Bronny colorway, he does a family colorway, a James Gang colorway, he might do a St. Vincent St. Mary colorway. He can do all those because he released in 30, 40, 50 different colorways of the shoe. With this one, they're giving the kids, you know, one try at making their shoes, so they let them go all in and put all of their whole life story on here. So that's why you get so many different colors, materials, and you know, story pieces onto one shoe. So it works for this one, it works for Doernbecher, but they need to let these kids hire full time, man. Let them go crazy on a couple of more shoes, man. That once a year, I understand what they're doing with the money raising factor, but every time it's pretty much a hit. It may not be the most popular models all the time, but when you look at the details on the shoe, even the Pegasus that they released, even the Air Max DN, the black and gold one, they did some really good ones. The Sonder is another one that I really wanted, but they did not have those in my size in store. But always good shoes, always good materials. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're feeling about this Sabrina 2, one of the most popular basketball shoes. Let me know how you're feeling about this Sabrina Doernbecher 20-year anniversary, man. Let me know. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, man, these joints was $130 here in Texas, like $142 out the door. So a fairly cheap shoe, basketball shoe. Nike basketball always is kind of on the low end until you get like those LeBrons and KDs now, which are like way up there. But always the entry level Nike basketball, the Ja Morants, those 1 and 2, their first couple of signature models, they're never really crazy expensive. This Sabrina was $130 with all the extras and all the good materials and all the extravagant colors. So $130 being a good price on these. And as far as resale, man, they're going for kind of like double. You're getting them from $200 to $260 on your secondary apps. I'm not sure how long those prices will sit up there. I'm not sure how desired this shoe is. I know like the big sizes, if you come across like the big man sizes, those will sell because the people and the guys and even the girls that hoop that may have a bigger foot, they want to hoop in these. So these, I think will be the one that you see the most as far as like out in public and, you know, people wearing them to hoop. This probably will be one that you see popular if you're in that basketball space. But definitely a solid one, man. That resale price, it still isn't crazy. It's not super duper expensive, but I think it'll kind of settle down and probably like around that $200 range, which is still very, you know, reasonable for a basketball shoe that's this vibrant and, you know, has this kind of storytelling behind it. Now, as far as quality and quality control, man, Sabrina is an amazing hoop shoe. It has like the wide foot plate up front, so you can't really kind of turn your ankle in this shoe. It does give like the vibes of like a Kobe 4 and 5. Like if they had a baby, it'll be the Sabrina 2. Good pair, super light. It has like the air unit on the inside. It has like the soft foam midsole, so it definitely can mold to your foot. Good hoop shoe overall, man. So even if you're not getting this Doernbecher Sabrina, if this is too much pink and purple for you, the Sabrina 2 is a good, even the Sabrina 1 is a good hoop shoe overall, and one of the most popular shoes amongst like the pro and college ball footwear right now, man. But y'all leave me a quick comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. But overall, man, this about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Sabrina 2 Doernbecher 20-year anniversary, man. It has the nice soft insides, man. Mesh all the way around, nice vibrant colors. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if this is a drop, a cop. Are you dripping, flipping, skipping? Leave me an honest opinion, man. I really want to know how you feel about these. If I was like deep in the hoops like I was maybe like in high school or something, this is something that I would put on. I'm not really too, like, I won't shy away from wearing crazy colors on the basketball court. It just kind of makes the uniform pop and things like that. So I wouldn't mind seeing this on court by guys and girls alike. So this one would be a good one. But leave me your honest opinion down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling. But that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for this one, man. Until next time, on the next video, we got the Nike Sabrina 2 Doernbecher 20-year anniversary, man. Really, really nice 2025. Shout out to Sophia, man. You killed these joints. Can't wait to see these joints on court, man. I know you're gonna be getting an amazing feeling when you see these hoopers rocking your shoe. Like I said, it's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, y'all. Sabrina 2 Doernbechers. Peace.